Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So the MAZDA RX3. So this is the Mad Mike customization, and Mad Mike is he's a drifter, based out of New Zealand. So this is based on his car. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So here is a closer look, guys. So the rims looks really nice, and here is the top view. Here is the front view of the car. Okay, this looks really amazing actually, and let me show you the interior, guys. So the window is a bit tinted, so I don't know if you guys are able to see the interior here. Here is one more closer look. Okay guys, that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you loved my video, subscribe. So it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.